Dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss how to increase reliability of different attributes. For this demo, I have taken a questionnaire data collected from about 110 respondents. Now we have to check the reliability of the 13 variables V1 to V13, that is a qualitative construct. So each variables are asked to answer strongly agree, disagree, neutral, agree, strongly agree, etc. The highest score 5 is given to strongly agree and the lowest score given to strongly disagree, that is 1. Now let us check the reliability of these variables, then we can use it for further analysis. First, go to analyze scale reliability analysis, select all the variables, in statistics tick scale if item deleted. The reliability of the 13 attributes is 0.663. The reliability standard is if the Cronbach alpha is more than 0.7 is good. I want to have the reliability of my variables more than 7. To have 7.718, I have some information about the variables and mean score, correlated item and Cronbach alpha if the item deleted. In the last column, I am coming down to every variable Cronbach alpha. If the V1 variable 1 is deleted, what would be the Cronbach alpha? 0.574. In case 2 is deleted, it will be 0.575. If we delete V6, it will be 0.649. So now when I scan this column, I find out 0.718 is the highest score. When I delete the V8, I can get 0.718. Let us try this. Analyze, scale, reliability. From the selected value, select V8 and exclude. Now we run the same. The Cronbach value is increased to 0.718. So in this way, we can remove, by removing one variable, we can increase the Cronbach alpha value. Let us see what is the alternate method. Now we have removed the item V8. Instead of removing the item, we can recode it. How can we do it? Go to transform, compute variables, V8 9, we put V8. The highest score is 5, but to change that, we are giving the next value, that is 6 minus V8. then I run. Okay, now the V8 new is generated. So let me add this new variable. New variable is here because already V8 is removed from the score. Now it is added, recorded V8. Now I am running the same. I get 0.707. My target is to have the Cronbach alpha is more than 0.7. So in this two method we can increase the Cronbach alpha. Apart from that, the other methods are there. One is we have to increase the number of samples. When the samples are increasing, so the Cronbach alpha, the correlated value also changed. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you.